Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to introduce you all to my card detailing business plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you all a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. After I'm done with that, we are then going to dive into the Word portion or the Word document portion of my card detailing business plan template. I'll show you all what's included in the card detailing business plan template, which sections you can change, and how to update the financial projections in the template as well. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little handy dandy PowerPoint presentation. So as promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, MBA, doctoral candidate, also owner of Quality Business Plan. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all do want to avoid all the fun and excitement of writing your own business plan, I would be delighted to write a custom business plan for you. Just pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, and we can have a great conversation on how I can best help. Other services that I do provide mentoring services. If you're looking to start a business, need some mentoring, I can help you in that area. And then also if your business plan is ready to go, but those financial projections are just giving you all kinds of headaches, I can help with the financial projections as well. All right. I am also a published author. Check me out on Amazon.com. Several books written for business plan writing as well as financial projections. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert for both business and finance. So I do have some academics as well as some real world experience backing up my thoughts and ideas for the business plan templates. All right, so with that said, let me go ahead and introduce y'all to the star of the show, which is my card detailing business plan template. So if you do decide to buy my card detailing business plan template, at the end of the video, I will go ahead and give you all a link that you are going to be able to do so. But if you do buy it, you get the Word document, which is right here, and I'm going to be covering it in this tutorial. And then it also comes with a basic financial model, which is right here. It's an Excel file, and it is included in the purchase, but the Excel file, I do go through it in detail in a separate tutorial. So let's go ahead and get back to the Word document. So once you open it up, you buy the template, you open it up, card detailing business plan template, you will be greeted with the title page, which is right here. Most of my clients, what they're going to do is they'll get rid of the card detailing, they'll put their logo here and have business plan underneath. The next page is your table of contents. Once you add a little bit more meat to the bone, you expand the documents, you add more information to it, you make it your own. You want to come back to the table of contents and click on it. You'll then click on Update Table, update entire table, click OK, and then all the headers and all the page numbers will update accordingly. The next section is going to be your executive summary section. In this executive summary section, I do provide you all with a starting point for your card detailing summary, your target market, your financial highlights, your funding request. And then also, when you're doing your financial highlights, you do need to update your financial model. So go through your financial model, watch the tutorial, put your information in here. Once you're done with that, you want to go to the projections tab. And the first three numbers on the underneath year one is what you're going to want to use to update your Excel, your Word document. All right, give me 1 second here. So for the Word document, and let's move this over just a smidgen. So in the Word document, underneath the financial highlights, you do want to use your updated information, and you'll be able to see that on the projections tab, we'll have under year one, 345,000 for annual revenues, lines up with annual revenues here. Expected cost at 210 lines up with the cost right here, and then the net profits of 104,000 lines up with the net profits over here in the Excel file right here of 104,000. So yeah, so once you're at the executive summary and you're looking at your financial highlights, definitely stop and go ahead and update the financial model with your information, and then you'll be all set, ready to go with that. The next section is going to be our company description section. For the company description section, I do give you a real good starting point for the card detailing summary, popular products and services, competitive advantages, primary target market. Anywhere you see yellow, you want to go ahead and read through, make sure it sounds right, and those are the products and services you'll be offering. And then anywhere with parentheses, you want to put your information there, for example, company name. Also included in this section could be a primary target market, a pricing strategy starting point, hours of operation, your location information, and your business objectives and timeline. A little bit of a snippet of a business plan, strategic plan included in here for you to update and optimize and make it your own. The next section is your industry analysis information. I do research the car detailing industry using IBIS World. I'll take their information, I'll summarize it, and then I'll insert it into I inserted it into the template for the car detailing business. And so this information is right here, like I said, is summarized from IBIS World. The next section is just your SWOT analysis, your strengths, your weaknesses, your opportunities and threats. And this is smart art, so in order to update it, you want to click on the chart, and then you want to click on the little arrow right here, and then the text comes up, and you can update that information accordingly. Next section is your organizational structure. The subtitle here is going to be the ownership information, and then under that is going to be your organizational chart. So the more employees you have, the more positions you're probably going to have, and then you'll want to go ahead and update your organizational chart accordingly. And to do that, you'll click again on that little arrow to the left, and it pops up the text for you to change it. The next section is going to be your marketing section. So for marketing, typically my car detailing clients usually advertise using traditional methods, internet methods, and social media methods. And so from that, I've given you a starting point for each one of those marketing channels. The next section is going to be your funding request. How much money do you need to get this party started? So I do give you a starting point. I'm saying for this example here, $100,000. Term is 8 to 12 years with an interest rate between 4 and 8%. And feel free to update this information as you see fit. The next section is going to be financial projections. So with this, the car detailing business plan template, it does come with financial projections for the next 12 months as well as annually for the next 5 years. So the ways this template is broken out is going to be profit and loss year 1, month 1 through 3, quarter 1, month 4 through 6, quarter 2, month 7 through 9, quarter 3, month 10 through 12, quarter 4, and then we have our pro forma income statement for the next 5 years. Now, these numbers are just holding numbers. What you want to do is you want to watch, again, you want to go through the tutorial for the financial model that's included in the purchase. And once you update your information on the information page here, then the profit and loss, all your profit and loss statements will be updated, and also your income statement information will be updated. So you change the information on the information page, and then the charts and the graphs are going to be updated accordingly. So once you finish with updating your information on the information page, you're going to want to go to your profit and loss statement or your income statement. You'll then want to highlight the particular statement, hit Control-C, and then you want to go over to the Word document. You want to get rid of the old income statement or the profit and loss statement and hit Control-V, and that'll update the pro forma income statement as needed. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful. So let's go ahead and summarize it and wrap it up. All right, so in summary, if you are interested in getting my car detailing business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document. It also comes with a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. There are some restrictions, some limitations to the business plan template. First, it's not compatible with Google Docs or Apple products. You do need Microsoft Word, and you do need Microsoft Excel in order to make the changes. And also, if you have any questions before you buy the car detailing business plan template, I would be delighted to have a great conversation with you. Just reach out to me, give me a text, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to have a great conversation. However, after you buy the car detailing business plan template, if you do have questions, I would refer you to the tutorials, the free tutorials that I provide. Or if you do want me to help you and walk you through the template, I do charge for that service, but I do offer the mentoring services. But there is no free phone support. All right, so if you're interested in buying my car detailing business plan template, all you have to do is to go to this link right here. If you want to go ahead and view the tutorials before or after you buy, just visit this link right here, and you can go ahead and have fun and watch the various tutorials that I have provided for free. If you don't want to mess with tutorials and you don't want to mess with templates, you just want your darn business plan written, I do offer custom business plan writing services, mentoring services, or just doing your financial projections for you. I offer all those services, and it's on my pricing page, which is right here. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.